Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI promises to revolutionize countless industries. However, this technological leap comes at a cost. The environmental impact of AI, particularly its energy and water consumption, is a growing concern. Data centers, the backbone of AI, require massive amounts of energy to power their servers. This energy demand contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change. Furthermore, data centers consume vast quantities of water for cooling, straining local water resources. The lack of transparency regarding AI's environmental footprint is alarming. Tech companies at the forefront of AI development are not obligated to disclose their data center resource use. This lack of data makes it difficult to assess the true scale of the problem and develop effective solutions. Addressing AI's environmental impact is crucial for a sustainable future. Ignoring this issue risks accelerating climate change and depleting vital resources. We must act now to ensure that AI innovation aligns with environmental responsibility. Demand for data is exploding. AI, with its insatiable appetite for data, is a major driver of this trend. Training and running complex AI models require vast datasets and immense computational power, translating into a surge in energy consumption at data centers. The energy required to power these data centers is substantial and growing. As AI models become more complex and data-intensive, this energy demand will only increase. The reliance on fossil fuels for electricity generation further compounds the environmental impact. Water consumption is another major concern. Data centers require significant amounts of water for cooling purposes. In many cases, this water is drawn from local sources, putting a strain on water supplies and ecosystems, especially in water-stressed regions. The environmental consequences of AI's growing resource demands are undeniable. Increased energy consumption contributes to climate change. High water usage exacerbates water scarcity issues. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort to improve energy efficiency and reduce water consumption in the AI industry. A significant obstacle to addressing AI's environmental impact is the lack of comprehensive data. Currently, there is no standardized reporting framework for tech companies to disclose their AI-related energy and water consumption. This lack of transparency makes it challenging to assess the true environmental footprint of AI. Without accurate data, policymakers lack the information needed to develop effective regulations and incentives to promote sustainability in the AI sector. The absence of data also hinders our ability to track progress and measure the effectiveness of sustainability initiatives. Without clear metrics, it is difficult to determine whether interventions are having the desired impact on reducing AI's environmental footprint. Addressing this data deficit is paramount. Mandating data center resource use reporting is essential for understanding the scale of the problem, developing targeted solutions, and ensuring the responsible development of AI. Government intervention is crucial to address the environmental impact of AI. Voluntary measures by tech companies are insufficient. Clear regulations are needed to drive meaningful change and hold companies accountable. Mandating environmental reporting for AI-related activities should be a top priority. This includes requiring tech companies to disclose the energy consumption and water usage of their data centers. Standardized reporting frameworks will enable comparisons and track progress over time. Governments should also consider implementing policies that incentivize the adoption of energy-efficient technologies and practices in the AI industry. This could include tax breaks for companies using renewable energy sources or developing more sustainable AI models. Regulation, while sometimes perceived as a barrier to innovation, is essential for ensuring that AI's growth does not come at the expense of the environment. By setting clear expectations and providing incentives, governments can steer the AI industry towards a more sustainable path. Measuring progress, driving change, monitoring AI's environmental cost. Monitoring AI's environmental impact is not just about identifying problems, it's about driving solutions. By tracking key metrics such as energy consumption and water usage, we can identify areas for improvement and measure the effectiveness of sustainability initiatives. Data-driven insights can guide the development of more energy-efficient AI algorithms and hardware. For instance, researchers are exploring ways to reduce the computational intensity of AI models without compromising performance. Monitoring also allows us to assess the environmental trade-offs of different AI approaches. For example, While large language models offer impressive capabilities, they come with a significant energy footprint. Understanding these trade-offs is essential for making informed decisions about AI development and deployment. Continuous monitoring is crucial for holding stakeholders accountable and ensuring that AI's development aligns with our environmental goals. By tracking progress and making adjustments along the way, we can strive for a future where AI innovation goes hand in hand with environmental responsibility. Policy recommendations steering AI towards sustainability. Addressing the environmental impact of AI requires a multifaceted approach involving policymakers, tech companies, and researchers. Here are some key policy recommendations. First, mandate environmental reporting. Require tech companies to disclose the energy and water consumption of their data centers used for AI development and deployment. Second, incentivize energy efficiency. Provide tax breaks or subsidies to companies using renewable energy sources to power their AI operations. Third, promote research and development. Invest in research to develop more energy-efficient AI algorithms, hardware, and data center infrastructure. Fourth, raise consumer awareness. Educate the public about the environmental impact of AI and encourage the use of AI-powered products and services from companies with strong sustainability practices. Finally, foster international collaboration. Encourage collaboration between countries to share best practices, develop common standards, and accelerate the transition to a more sustainable AI ecosystem. Implementing these recommendations will require a concerted effort from all stakeholders. However, the potential benefits, a healthier planet, and a more sustainable future for AI, make it an investment worth pursuing. Building trust through transparency. The role of AI providers. AI providers have a crucial role to play in addressing the environmental impact of AI. Transparency is paramount. Companies should be upfront about the energy consumption and carbon footprint associated with their AI products and services. Providing clear and accessible information about the environmental impact of AI systems allows consumers to make informed choices. It empowers them to choose solutions that align with their values. Transparency also fosters trust and accountability, encouraging companies to prioritize sustainability. AI providers should also be transparent about their efforts to reduce their environmental footprint. This includes disclosing their use of renewable energy, their progress in improving energy efficiency, and their investments in sustainable AI research and development. By embracing transparency, AI providers can demonstrate their commitment to environmental responsibility and contribute to building a more sustainable AI industry. It's not just about mitigating negative impacts, it's also about showcasing AI's potential to drive positive change in the fight against climate change. Balancing innovation with responsibility towards a sustainable AI future. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our world in countless positive ways. However, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the environmental consequences of this technological revolution. We must strive to balance the pursuit of innovation with the responsibility of protecting our planet. Ignoring AI's environmental footprint is not an option. The stakes are too high. Climate change is a pressing global challenge, and the increasing energy and water demands of AI exacerbate this crisis. We cannot afford to allow AI to become another driver of environmental degradation. The path forward is clear. We need greater transparency, stricter regulations, and a collective commitment to sustainability from all stakeholders involved in the AI ecosystem. By working together, we can harness the transformative power of AI while ensuring a healthy and sustainable future for generations to come.